Well, it's the 40th anniversary of the Urban Journalism Workshop, and this program is just as important as it was when it started in 1986.
We're excited. We're another year of UJW, today's orientation session, and we've kind of walked through with students exactly what they can expect from week to week. Each week focuses on a different discipline, whether it's newspaper, whether it's audio, radio, whether it's TV, in order to give students an insight into that part of journalism.
We're trying to continue to expand the pipeline for young journalists, in particular young journalists of color, to get into this industry, to get into journalists and become confident journalists. And so that's why we're here.
But the idea with that is to ensure students get the classroom side of things as well as they get hands-on experience and experience in the real world.
The students today were amazing. The questions were amazing. Their engagement was amazing. We need them for the future because right now this media profession is in trouble and they give me hope. They're the hope of the future. They are ready, and this gives me pause for the future to say that Black journalism is going to stay. Young kids in journalism are here to do the work. I feel good.
So we have a lot lined up for them, and just excited again to get this year 2026 underway.
We'd like to thank all of the sponsors, American University, Prince George's Community Television, Politico, all of the local stations that have partnered with us once again for this program. We'd also like to thank the mentors and the students, and also the parents for being here.